Okay. Yes. So, good evening, all. Good evening, all. I hope you can see me and hear me clearly. Okay. So, if you can see me and hear me clearly, I will launch the poll. You can select the relevant option from the poll. So, there you go. On your screen now, you can see the poll. If you can see me and hear me clearly, then you can click on the relevant option. Okay. Cool. So I think the technical settings are correct. So we are good to go. And we'll start the class. Okay, we'll start the class. Start the class. So many messages have received. First, let me go through your messages and then we will start the class. So Sharfana, Sanvi, Aparna, Sneha, Janvi, Janvi ma'am also, Janvi Patel student also, then Pranamya, Samruddhi, Yash, Priyanka, Nidhi, Mohita, Siddharth, Suchan, Suraj, Shravan, Diya, Ratan, Aditya, okay, so Tanvi. So good evening all, good evening all, and thank you Aditya for the compliment. So Sri Hari, Varun, Suchan, Suhani, Vinayak, so everyone, okay, so everyone, good evening. Okay, everyone, good evening. So those who texted me and those who did not text me also, everyone, good evening. Okay, so today is Saturday. So we'll be continuing the foundation class. Okay, so yesterday uh, I had to show you the college campus, man. Okay, I showed you everything. Okay, but I did not show you college campus. Okay, so let us first see the college campus. Okay, and then we will start the next topic. Okay, so next topic of our foundation. Okay, so whichever we were doing. Okay, cool. So now let us just first see the video. Okay, so yesterday I told you about, okay, so I told you about ISRO. Okay, so how successful ISRO is. Okay, so compared to NASA, I would rather, like choose ISRO. So I'm gonna write here. Huh. Okay, so usually there's lot of comparisons. Okay, so when you compare the budget that NASA gets, okay, the amount of resources, money, everything. Okay, so ISRO with its limited budget, it is doing exceptionally well. Okay, exceptionally well with lot of projects and like low cost projects. Okay, so NASA has recently like had tied up with SpaceX, okay, for Elon Musk's Mars mission and all. Okay, so they're pumping in lot of money, man, billions of dollars of money. Okay, that is not even like ISRO doesn't even have 10% of that. Okay, but still ISRO is doing pretty wonderful. Okay, so to all those amazing scientists, okay, who work in ISRO, okay, for them, okay, so it is very difficult to get the top notch. Okay, so best quality scientists they want. Okay, so what do? They depend on this college called IIST. Okay, what is this college? This college is Indian Institute of Space Technology. Okay, Indian Institute of Space Technology. So whoever graduates from IIST, they have an option. Okay, they have an option of directly join. Okay, directly joining ISRO. Okay, if you graduated from IIST, you have an option of joining ISRO. Right here, can join ISRO after graduation. Okay, because the curriculum, okay, the subjects, the syllabus are designed in such a way that it is favorable for ISRO. Okay, it is favorable for ISRO. So like that, they have been designed. Okay, that is the sole purpose. Okay, of course, choice is yours. You don't want, then it's okay. You can join other companies or you can do research and all those things. Okay, so but the important thing is, okay, so all these people, okay, so all these people, so who are in ISRO, okay, so they have some other benefits. Okay, so they have some other benefits, okay, comparatively. And to meet all those things, okay, so IIST is the, feeder, okay, it is like a feeder college, okay. And in order to get into IIST, okay, so we have some certain exams, okay, that you're supposed to write and everything, so which I will tell you after the video, okay. So first we will watch the video. So I don't know if you know this or not, okay. ISRO has this amazing set of record, okay. So what is the record? So I'm going to show you the record. Now is in IIST, okay. It's in IIST, is in third year now, okay. So it's in third year now. So by 2021, okay, when he completes, he can officially join ISRO and be a part of Chandrayaan mission, okay, the next Chandrayaan mission, okay. So his name is Jayatirtha, okay, so Deshpande, okay. So in 2016 or 2017 batch, okay, so that time he had cleared the exam. So there are basically two ways in which you can get into IIST, okay. The first one, they have their own exam, okay. They have their own exam called ISAT, okay. ISAT is their exam, okay, which you have to write after 12th standard, okay. ISAT exam, so this is after 12th standard, okay. So you have to write this exam, okay. You qualify in the exam, you get good marks, you get into IIST. Or you can also join using your JEE marks, okay. So JEE exams marks, okay, so which is there, you can use that marks, utilize the marks ranking, and you can also get into IIST, okay. These are the two methods, okay. They also give some preference, okay, some bonus for those who have cleared KVPY exams, okay, or cleared KVPY exams in 11th standard and 12th standard. What is this KVPY exam? KVPY is the most prestigious exam for 11th standard, 12th standard, as well as those who are doing BSc, okay. So BSc first year and all that, okay. So it stands for Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana, okay. So very popular exam. You will write this in your 11th standard and 12th standard, okay. So if you clear this exam also, you have an advantage, okay. So there is some power problem, man. Oh my God. Okay, so there's some power problem. Always happens with your batch only, the, like the 4:30 batch, whatever is that, okay. But do not worry, okay. So whatever the watchman or whoever is there, so that guy will put the generator on, okay. So as soon as it is on, I will switch on my video part, okay. So now I was telling something, so I'll just finish that and I can play the video also. I'm using my mobile internet for some time, okay. So now you just use hear my voice, okay. My video will be back soon, okay. My video will be back soon. So I will be sharing my screen, okay, and I'll just finish what I was writing. So as I was telling you, okay, so in IIST, okay, so you can get through ISAT exam or JEE rank also, you can get through it, okay. And clearing exams like KVPY and all is always going to be beneficial for you, okay. Just like Jayatirtha, he had cleared KVPY exam, okay. So his interview was little kind of not sure, okay. He did not do that great, but since he had cleared the KVPY exam, that was an icing on the cake, okay. So he got through it because he was a KVPY scholar, okay. So these are the ways in which you can get into IIST. So now let us see the college IIST, how beautiful it is. So I'm going to play the video, okay. So watch this carefully. This is the campus of IIST, okay. So where is it? It is here. Okay, it will play in some time, don't worry.
What happened to Subhash Chandra Bose? The mystery has fascinated generations of Indians. Allegations in...
Okay, I'm sorry, man. The video got stuck. Okay, so many times, as I told, it was running on my mobile internet. Okay, so now I'll just reconnect it back to my, like Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it is connected to my modem. Okay, great. So now that is the call that you do well. Okay, and of course, you get the best facilities and everything. Okay, and you will be designated as the junior scientist. Okay, so once you join ISRO, you will be given the post of junior scientist or something like that. Okay, so that is the college, so which is there in Tiruvananthapuram. Okay, Kerala. Okay, it has its campus in Kerala, some 50-60 kilometers far from Kerala. Okay, so very peaceful, calm place. Okay, so that was college video of the day. Okay, IIST, Indian Institute of Space Technology. Okay, so once you graduate, you directly be a assistant or sorry, junior scientist or such designation in ISRO. Okay, and then of course you can continue your career in ISRO and achieve some great feat and be proud of the ISRO missions. Okay, fine. So with that, we're going to start today's class. Okay, we're going to start today's class. So yesterday I had given homework. Okay, yesterday I had given homework. Okay, so we solved some questions and I had asked you to solve the remaining questions. Okay, if you remember yesterday, so few questions we solved in the class. The other questions had given for homework. No, not this one. Not this. So till where did we solve yesterday? Till which question did we solve yesterday? I think I had given some homework yesterday. Okay, you can just type and tell. Okay, which question should we start or till where did I do yesterday? So yesterday, 14th one complete. Okay, so yesterday, 14th question we completed. Okay, and I remember I gave few questions for you as homework. Okay, so where is that? I think it did not get saved here. So from 15 till 20 had given homework. How many of you solved? Okay, you just be frank. Okay, how many of you solved questions? Okay, I'm going to write here. Okay, how many of you solved question number 15 till question number 20? Okay, so how many of you solved? You click on yes. Did not solve, click on no. It's okay. Did not solve, click on no. If you have solved, click on yes. Even if you tried, even if you solved one or two questions also, click on yes. It's okay, at least you tried. You did not open and see, you didn't even try also. Okay, then you click on no. Okay, then you click on no. Even if one question also you solved, click on yes. Okay, did not solve anything, now only you are seeing, then click on no. Okay, so nevertheless, okay, because you see, if you do not solve all this, then the topic will remain incomplete. Okay, when I do cubes, okay, so then you will forget dice. Okay, so practice is very important. We just have few more questions. Okay, I can quickly tell you the answers for this. Okay, so that those who have solved, you can verify whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so question number 15. Okay, onwards we'll really solve super fast and finish this. Okay, and then we can start cubes. Okay, we'll start cubes today. Okay, cool. So question number 15, I'm going to launch the poll. Easy question, simple question. Okay, solve this and then select the correct option from the poll. Okay, fast. Okay, fast. You click on the correct answer from the poll. I've launched the poll. You have ABCD option. Select the correct option. Question number 15. Question number 15. Okay. You want help? I can help. Okay. These are our opposite sides. Always write the opposite sides first. Okay. Opposite sides. So opposite side of F is B. Opposite side of E is C. then opposite side, this two will be separate set of opposite sides, A and D. Right here, A and D are another set of opposite sides. Okay, this is our clue. Okay, now at least you can solve. Okay, so when I start from the dice A, okay, when I start from dice A, I can see that this B and F, okay, they are opposite sides. They cannot be next to each other. Dice A is wrong. Okay, dice A is wrong because B and F are opposite sides. They cannot be next to each other. Okay, next, when we come to dice B, okay, dice B, notice the opposite sides carefully. Notice the opposite sides carefully. Okay, so I have here F, E, D. Okay, F, E, D, which are all independent and separate. So dice B seems correct. Dice B seems correct. Okay, we will check into other dice also. Okay, dice C. Okay, when you go to the third dice, I have B, E, C. Okay, but E and C are our opposite sides, but here they have shown it to be next to each other. So this is also wrong. Then the last one, okay, last one. I'm sorry, the printing, the shading, there's little issue, but I hope you can see clearly. That is D, E, A. Okay, D, E, A are the alphabets given. So D, E, A, if you notice carefully, you look at the third set, A and D are our opposite sides. Okay, A and D are our opposite sides. But here they are next to each other. Not correct. Okay, so over this, you can see that only dice position B is correct. Okay, so that is option B is our correct answer. Okay, when I end the poll, okay, and share the results, it's very nice to see that 85% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, and some 8 students made mistake. Okay, please correct your understand. Yes, simple is equal to this. Yes, okay, fast. If you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you did not understand, click on no, obviously. Okay, if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, and then we can go to next question, question number 16, fast. Okay, question number 16. I'm going to relaunch the poll again. So your A, B, C, D options are there on the screen. Let us see if you can solve question number 16. Okay, question number 16. Okay, first write the opposite sides. Okay, first mention the opposite sides. So you want help, then I can help. So you can see here that these two are my opposite sides. Okay, so always the alternate figures are your opposite sides. Okay, and whichever extra shape is there, no, this and this extra, they will also become your opposite sides. Right, first set of is blank and blank faces opposites. Okay, that's it. Okay, set of dot shaded region, and the last set is this blank and the is okay. These are okay. So this data you are supposed to solve. Okay, so at least now you should try and get the answer. Okay, so pole. Okay, after you get the answer, please do not forget to select your option from the poll as well. Okay, so now let us start with dice A. Okay, so in dice A, you can see here the dot, the special symbol, and blank. Okay, the dot, special symbol, and blank, they're all independent, separate. So this can be correct. Okay, but we'll see all the other positions of the dice also. Okay, so now coming to dice B. Okay, so this dot and the shaded region. The dot and the shaded region are supposed to be opposite sides. They cannot be next to each other. So this is wrong. Okay, dice B is wrong. Okay, coming to dice C. Okay, coming to dice C. All the things are blank. Okay, all the faces are blank. Okay, so now if you look where and all, you have blank faces. Okay, so where and all you have blank faces. Blank face is here. I put tick mark. Blank face is here and blank face is here. Okay, those are our 3 blank faces. Okay, but 2 blank faces, they are opposite of each other. You see, I put this circle. Blank and blank cannot be opposite of each other. Okay, over here, they are opposite of each other. Okay, so hence I'm going to scratch out dice C also. Okay, then coming to dice D. Okay, coming to dice D, I can see that in dice D, I have this dot and the shaded region. Okay, this dot and the shaded region. So they cannot be next to each other. Okay, they cannot be next to each other. Okay, because they are opposite sides. So hence D is also wrong. Okay, D is also wrong. So which is the correct option that we have? Dice A. Where is dice A? Dice A is our option A. Okay, and that is our answer. And when I share the poll result, okay, when I share the poll result, okay, I can see that only 56%. Why? What went wrong? Only 56%, mark the correct answer. But at least if you understood this question, okay, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, at least now, if you understood the question, click on the yes icon. Did not understand, then click on the no icon. Okay, so I have anyway solved. Okay, make sure that you also write all these things. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, now question number 17. Okay, we just have few more questions. After this, we can start the new topic. Cubes is going to be fascinating, trust me. Okay, question number 17. Okay, I'm going to relaunch the poll. Okay, let's do this real fast. Okay, question number 17. On your screen, options A, B, C, D. Select the correct options fast. Okay, question number 17. Question number 17. Okay, so easy question, man. Simple question. Okay, question number 17. Easy question. Simple question. So as I said, first write your opposite sides. What are your opposite sides? As I always keep telling you, the alternate figures are your opposite sides. Okay, so that means 1, 4 opposite sides. Okay, next this 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6 opposite sides. Then whatever else is there, the random position, okay, those become even next set of opposite sides, that is 3, 5. So these are your opposite sides. Okay, so using this we have to now solve. Okay, using this we have to now solve. Okay, so now at least I have told you all the clues. At least now you solve. Okay, at least now you solve. And I have already launched the poll. You can select the correct answer from the poll. Okay, so very simple, very easy question. Okay, so what to do now? Go to each and every dice. Okay, so here you have 2, 6, 5. Okay, 2, 6, 5. But you can see here I put tick mark. 2 and 6, they are your opposite sides. Okay, they cannot be next to each other. So dice A wrong. Okay, dice position A is wrong. Okay, coming to dice position B. Okay, dice position B. So I have 1, 4, 2. Okay, 1, 4, 2. But you see here, put tick mark and I put a box. 1 and 4 are opposite sides. Okay, they cannot be together. So this 1 and 4, they cannot be together. So dice B is also wrong. Dice B is also wrong. Next, coming to dice C. Okay, coming to dice C, you have 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 as a put box. They're all independent and they're all separate. Okay, they're all independent, they're all separate. So dice C, correct position. Okay, correct position. So then last you have 3, 5, 4. Okay, last we have this 3, 5, 4. Okay, so when you look at the opposite sides of 3, 5, 4. Okay, the opposite sides. So 3, 5, 4. You can see here that 3 and 5 are supposed to be opposite sides. They cannot be next to each other. So dice B is also wrong. Dice B is also wrong. So the only dice which is correct is C, dice C. Which option has dice C? The option is our option B. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. And when I share the poll result, okay, I share the poll result. So I can see here that 72%, okay, 72% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, 72% of you have selected the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Okay, very nice. So now, next question. Okay, next question. Question number 18. On your screen, I will launch the poll. You select the correct option from the poll. Okay, let us see if you can get this question correct. Okay, question number 18. Okay, question number 18. Simple, easy question. Come on. Question number 18. Question number 18. So first, you should mark the opposite sides. Okay, you should mark the opposite sides and then you should start solving. Okay, mark the opposite sides and then start solving. Okay, you want help? I can help. I will write the opposite sides. Okay, I can write the opposite sides. But as soon as you solve, mark your options. Okay, so mark your options. Okay, so now opposite sides will start from the opposite side. Okay, so this random symbol and the blank face, they are your opposite sides. Okay, and even this and this will be your opposite sides, blank face and double box. Okay, double box inside. Okay, and then blank face and the special, okay, special symbol like this. When you do the folding, when you close and do the folding like that, these are our opposite sides. Okay, these are our opposite sides. Okay, so now let us do one by one. Okay, so dice A, I have 3 sets of blank, okay, blank faces. One blank face here, another blank face here, another blank face here. Possibility is there. Okay, possibility is there. So hence, I'm going to put tick mark. Possibility is there. Okay, so now dice B. Okay, dice B. Coming to dice B. Also, let me see if it is possible or not. So I have this symbol. Okay, so like this crazy special symbol. I have another special symbol here, that circle inside. Okay, and a blank space. And a blank space. You see, this is also a blank space. Okay, so dice B also, possibility is there. If there's a possibility, we'll give the benefit of doubt. Okay, so we'll give the benefit of doubt towards it. Okay, so that possibility is there. Okay, so dice B also I'm going to put tick mark. Okay, because it can be independent and it is separate and possibility is there. Okay, so now coming to dice C. Okay, dice C, let us look at the faces. Okay, so dice C, I have the double square. Okay, double square face here, I put tick mark. Okay, so next I have two sets of blank faces. I can take those two sets, one here and one here. Okay, you see, they're all independent and separate. Independent and separate. So even dice C also, possibility is there. Okay, even dice C, there is a possibility. Okay, so I'm gonna put tick mark for dice C also. Next, last dice. Okay, that is position D. So position D, what all symbols do I have? Position D, what all symbol? I have this crazy symbol. Okay, so then blank symbol. Okay, and then double. Okay, so then I have the double square. Double square. Okay, so the blank symbol, what I'll do now, blank symbol, I'll take the benefit of doubt, and blank symbol give the benefit of doubt to the first opposite side. Okay, so even dice D also, I can give the possibility. Okay, it is possible. So all these dice positions are possible, and that is nothing but our option D. Okay, that is nothing but our option D. Okay, so now when I look at the poll, okay, when I look at the poll result and select the answer, okay, which you guys have selected. So I'm going to show you those answers. So 71% of you have selected the correct answer. That means you are understanding how things work. Okay, please do little bit more practice. You will be more, perfect. Okay, so you will get, better and better if you practice more. Okay, so now, before I go to question number 19 and 20. Okay, so before I go to question number 19 and 20, I want to show you something. Okay, I want to show you something. So very good. So what is that? Okay, so recently I was just, so I came home now, so I was just watching TV. Okay, so there I saw this movie. Okay, advertisements, man. Okay, it was just going there. Okay, so as an advertisement, okay, The Mummy. Okay, you know the movie. How many of you know the movie called The Mummy? Okay, the pyramid, Egypt, and all that. Okay, if you know the movie called The Mummy, click on the yes icon. Okay, click on the yes icon. If you have seen the movie, also click on the yes icon. The Mummy. Okay, which movie? Yeah, I'll show, man. Papa, you people. Okay, so this movie. I don't know which part it was, recent one or old one, whatever. This one, like this, The Mummy. Okay, so based on the pyramids of Egypt. Okay, like this, and they showed one scene. Okay, they showed one scene. I was truly baffled. Okay, I was truly baffled. Watching the scene. Okay, watching the scene. So which scene was that? So I'm going to show you the scene, and you should tell me. Okay, can this really happen? Okay, is this possible or not? Is this possible or not? So what is the scene? So I'm going to show you the scene. Okay, I'm going to show you. I want you to see the scene, man.
Oh, wait. Heads, I swear.
The question, okay, the question is, do you think such type of beetles exist? Okay, do you think such type of beetles exist? Okay, that is the question. You can click on yes or no. So whatever scene you saw, that's from the movie. Okay, that is from the movie. Do you think such kind of beetles exist? Yes or no? Shreyas has typed and sent an interesting reply. Okay, so others, is such type of insects or beetles or bugs or whatever you can call. Okay, such type of creatures, do you think they actually exist in real life? Not in the movie, real life. Okay, you can definitely tell your opinion. Okay, you can definitely tell your opinion. Okay, some of you say that yes, sir, they exist. Okay, so some of you say they do not. Now the percentage is 60%. They say yes, 40% they say no. Now it become 55. Okay, 55 percent of you are telling yes. Okay, 45% telling no. Okay, so let us see the answer. Okay, let us see the answer later. Okay, I saw one documentary or something based on such creatures. Okay, so let us see if the answer is yes or no after you solve these two questions. Okay, so now quickly finish these two questions so that we can know whether such creatures exist or such organisms exist. Okay, so question number, oh, this all got erased. Okay, no problem. Okay, we want question number 19 and 20. Okay, question number 19. I'm going to launch the poll. Let us see if you can solve question number 19. Okay, question number 19. Fast. Okay, question number 19. So what should be the answer? Question number 19. Okay, bega. So you want help? I can write here the opposite sides. You can write here the opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides. So opposite sides, this and this are going to be my opposite side, and the blank face and the blank face are opposite sides. So I'm going to write here this full shaded and this like this. Okay, and next the blank face and the blank face, and this will be opposite side to this dot. Okay, these are our set of opposite sides. Okay, so now from the options, choose the best. Okay, from the options, choose the best possible options. Okay, go right here, choose best possible option. Why am I specifically telling you this sentence? You will get to know in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so remember, choose the best possible option. Okay, choose the best possible option. So read my phrase and choose the best possible option. Okay, I hope you understand English. Okay, so choose the best possible options among the given options. Okay, which one do you think you should go for? Okay, so now let us solve. Okay, so let us solve. So you select, you solve, and you select the correct options. Okay, so now let us see all this dice position one by one. Okay, so dice A. So you can see that in dice A, the completely shaded and the half shaded, okay, they cannot be together. Okay, they cannot be together because they are the opposite sides. Okay, this is wrong based on this. Okay, so based on this, dice A is wrong. Okay, so coming to dice B. Okay, coming to dice B. So in the dice B, I have this half shaded, I have dot, and I have blank. I have half shaded, I have dot, I have blank. Okay, so three things are there. So possibility is there. So I will put tick mark for dice B position. Okay, so next comes dice C. Okay, dice C again. These two cannot be next to each other because they are opposite sides. Which two? The fully shaded and the half shaded. The fully shaded and the half shaded, they cannot be next to each other. So dice C wrong. Okay, so dice C wrong. Okay, so now comes the last dice, that is dice D. Okay, dice D. Now when I look at dice D, so dice D has one dot symbol, and there are two. Okay, and there are two blank faces. There are two blank faces. If I select those two blank faces, this and this. Okay, if I select those two blank faces, where I put tick mark now, I put tick mark. See carefully the tick mark. Even if I select those also, you can notice that these two will become the opposite sides, and opposite sides cannot be next to each other. Okay. Now, another thing what I can do is I can put another blank face for this. Okay. But even in that case, these two will become the opposite sides, okay, which cannot be next to each other. Okay. So under all circumstances, okay, and all possible cases, this dice cannot be the correct position. Okay, so now you can see that only dice B is correct. Okay, so now when you look at the options, okay, when you look at the options, which option has B? Okay, which option has dice B? That is over here. Yes, of course, there is a mistake. Okay, there's a mistake in the options. Okay, you will get grace mark if you have attempted the question. Okay, if you attempted the question, you will get the grace mark. Okay, but you have to make sure that you select the correct option. Okay, the correct option, as I'm showing here, is B. Okay, so this is the reason why I said always choose the best possible option. Okay, so that even if there's a mistake or something, you will get, okay, so you will get the mark, grace mark you will get. Okay, you will get the grace mark. Okay, so now option D is wrong because you see I have put a box. Those two blank faces cannot be next to each other because they are our opposite sides. Okay, see, dice B is correct. So option B best compared to option B is the best option. If you mark that option, you will definitely get grace mark. Okay, so now when I look at the results, I'm sharing the results on your screen. So 76% of you have selected this answer. Okay, so very nice. Okay, some of you made mistake. Some 13 students made mistake. So now if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, click on the yes icon if you understood this question. Okay, so practice several more questions so that you can become perfect. Now last question, man. Last question, jaldi. Last question. I'm gonna launch the poll. Okay, let us see if you can get this last question. Very simple, very easy question. Okay, so you just have to know the technique. Okay, you want help? I can help. So these are my opposite sides. These two opposite side and these two opposite side. So blank and blank, opposite side. Again blank and blank, opposite side. And the circle and this crazy shape is our next set of opposite sides. That's all. Okay, this is our set of opposite sides. Okay, so now quickly when we solve, okay, so we'll go to our dice A. Okay, so in dice A, random shape which cannot exist, so this A is wrong. Okay, the A is wrong. Dice A. Okay, so dice A is wrong. Okay, because the shape okay, I hope you can hear me now. Okay, can hear me now. Okay, you can hear me now. You can see the screen. Okay, you will hear my voice. Okay, you will definitely hear my voice. And now, of course, yes, you cannot see me, but you can definitely hear me. Okay, do not worry about that. And you can see my screen also. You can see my screen also in the screen. Okay, so you can see the set of opposite sides. Okay, you can see the opposite sides. And instead of opposite sides, okay, the first set. Okay, the first set what we have. Okay, in that dice A, we have this some random shape here, right here. Random figure. Is that this one that cannot exist? Okay, so our dice is wrong. Okay, dice is wrong. Coming to dice B. Okay, so coming to dice B. So now in dice B, you see three blank spaces. So now you can hear me. You can see the screen also. So the B shape. Okay, the B dice. Okay, that you can see. You will see in minute or something. Okay, you will see soon. Okay, so the B dice cannot exist because all the blank faces. Okay, they form a set. Forms opposite sides. Okay, form a set of opposite sides. Okay. Yes. So this is those three set of blank faces cannot be next to each other. Okay, so hence our dice B is also wrong. Okay, so this dice B is also wrong. Okay, the next dice that we have is dice C. Okay, the next set of dice. So dice position C. Okay, dice position C. You have these two symbols which are a set of opposite sides. Okay, you see here I put this box. Okay, I put this box here. I put a box. So those two are opposite sides which cannot be next to each other. Which cannot be next to each other. So dice C is also wrong. Okay, dice C is also wrong. The only dice, okay, which is available to us is dice D. And let us check the positions for dice D. Okay, dice D, you have this circle, then you have two blank faces. I put tick mark, two blank faces. So there is a possibility, okay, of it to be correct. And dice D is our correct dice positions. Okay, so which is there in our option D. Okay, so option D is our correct options where all the sides are one set of opposites and individual set of dice. Okay, so hence our last option is the correct option. Okay, so even in the poll also, okay, when I share the results, okay, it's very nice. 81%, okay, 81% of you have selected the correct answer. Very good. Okay, so very nice. Okay, 81% of you got it correct. Okay, so now I have lot of things you have to select. You have to select. Okay, you want to know that creature. Okay, you want to know the creature. Okay, so creature truth. Option A. Option B, add activity. Option C, German. Option D, I have story. Option E, I have Kahoot. Okay, so which one you want? You can select. So what I'll do is I'll share the poll. Okay, I'll share the poll. In the poll, of course, there are only 4 options. Those who want option E should type and send me. Okay, those who want option E should type and send me. Okay, the choice is yours. I still have time, don't worry. Okay, I still have time. So we can at least do 2 things out of this. Okay, so Bega. So last 10 seconds, so please vote fast. Okay, so A, B, C, D, you can choose from the poll. Option E, you can type and send. Okay, option E, you can type and send. Okay, fast man, fast. Okay, I'm closing the poll. Okay, I'm closing the poll. I'm ending the poll. Okay, and I'm sharing the result. Okay, I'm sharing the result. Okay, so the majority of you want story, followed by the creature truth. Okay, followed by the creature truth. Okay, these are 2 majority options, and let me see how many of you sent option E. Okay, option E, Sujana, Muhita. Okay, then Siddharth, Priyanka, Nidhi, Sneha, Mayuresh. Okay, so 5-6 of you sent Kahoot. Okay, so what I can do is that Kahoot, I can put it in the group as a challenge. Okay, so which you can solve after the class also as a challenge. Okay, so do not worry, this will be done. Okay, so now I'll go with story and I'll go with the creature truth. Okay, so first you can see the truth. Okay, you can see the truth, whether such creatures exist or not. Okay, so let us watch the truth. Okay, so where is the video? Okay, I'll show the video 1 second. Okay, I think I lost it somewhere. Okay, so I'll show the video, man. I show the video. I don't know, it's not here. Okay, I might have lost it. Okay, I did not save it or something. Okay, so what I can do is that I can just at least tell you the story, man. I can tell you the story. I can just finish the story fast. Okay, so where did I stop? I'll show you the truth. Don't worry. Okay, I got that video. So I missed it somewhere. Okay, so I'll show that. Okay, so now, yes. So here is the climax scene. Okay, so what is the climax scene? As I told, it was slippery. Okay, we are playing basketball court. Okay, so in basketball court with a basketball, we were playing football. And of course, it was slippery. Okay, so now, most of the time, girls will not be playing. Okay, that's what I have seen, man. I really don't know what girls do in Game Spirit. Okay, so some of them, they were just sitting there. Okay, and they were talking. Okay, they're watching us play. And R was also there. Okay, R plus some other friends. Okay, her friends. Okay, our other friends. Okay, so they were sitting there and maybe they were talking, okay, about something, or they were watching us play this crazy game. Okay, so now it so happened. Okay, see, I did not try to impress. I didn't do anything. Okay, I was just in my own, okay, so game mode. I was focusing on the game. Okay, I was focusing on the game. So this is the basketball court. Okay, so like this. Okay, like this basketball court. So the ball went outside. Okay, the ball went outside. So I was here. Okay, I was there. Okay, the ball went outside. Okay, so now my other friend, worst friend. So there was this lot of water was here. Okay, my other worst friend, he threw the ball. Okay, it received the ball from far. Okay, so on the water. So what I thought was the ball will fall on the water and the water will get splashed on my clothes and my uniform will get dirty. Okay, that is what I was thinking in my brain. So that game, what he did not throw like this. He kicked the ball. Okay, he kicked the ball. The ball came down like this, rolling. Okay, the ball came down like that, rolling. So what did I do? I jumped. Okay, I jumped. Okay, but because of the friction, the ball did not go fast. Okay, the ball slowed down. Okay, when I landed both of my legs on the ball. Are you imagining? Are you getting the scene? Okay, I landed both of my legs on the ball. Of course, the ball went forward. I fell backward like this. Okay, I fell backward like this while falling. I gave my left hand as support. Okay, reflex action. Okay, and I fell down like this. Okay, I fell down like this. Okay, that is me. Okay, full backside of my uniform, full gullies. Okay, that patchy, okay, green color patchy mud. Okay, so all that featured everything, full backside. Okay, you want to see Surf Excel ad? I was the Surf Excel ad. Front side full clean, back side full dirty. Okay, and all my friends, okay, all my friends whoever were there, okay, all of them came. Okay, all of them came. Okay, all of them surrounded me. Okay, none of them helped. They're all laughing at my face.